So let's talk about leave-in conditioners, my favorite leave-in conditioners right now. So welcome back to my channel. I am revamping all of the natural hair stuff that I used to do, and clearly I'm taking it from scratch because I big chopped again in the summer of 2019, in late August in 2019 to be exact. And here we are. You see, it still looks like it was big chopped recently because I went down to a fade, y'all. I will try to put that picture here to show y'all where I'm coming from. This is actually a lot of new growth. That's what, September, October, November, December, January, February. This is now February. Wow, I'm almost 6 months in. This look like 6 months worth of growth? Y'all tell me, for real, I might actually have to invest in some rice water and some black castor oil and all of them regrowth serums to kind of boost it, because I'm already tired of the short hair. You know what it is? I'm gonna put a picture here of what my inspiration was when I cut it, but I cut it myself. And as usual, we get pretty snip happy when we're cutting our hair, and I had to just go to the barber and be like, dog, give me a fade. And so that's what happened, and here we are. So I'm relearning how to take care of this hair of mine, and the products that I used to use then are not the same products that I use now, actually, except one of them, and I'm gonna talk about those now. So I'm going to share with you my whole regimen in another video. This one is just talking about leave-in conditioners. So when I wash my hair, the routine is to shampoo. Well, I don't shampoo my hair much. I co-wash my hair once a week. Then when it's wet, I'm out the shower, I put in my leave-in conditioner first. I put a styler over that to kind of like seal in the leave-in conditioner, something a little bit heavier to kind of moisturize those curls, because leave-in conditioners are very light generally. And then I put an oil-based or like a butter-based moisture sealant over that to kind of seal in everything that I just did. So here is the leave-in conditioner that I'm currently using, and guys, it is a godsend. This thing is holy grail, and let me tell you something, it better had been, because it's not cheap. So it cost me 2,799 Jamaican dollars, y'all. Don't freak out, Jamaican dollars. And that's about, I'll put the US there because I'm not about to work that out in my head. But yeah, it's not cheap by Jamaican hair care standards, but it is absolutely worth it. And I'm kind of sad because it's about here in the bottle now, so I know what I'm saying. Like, I've been using it, and it makes my hair baby soft. It's been a while since I tried something in my hair, and I can feel immediately the effects, the difference in my hair. So this has been great. And how did I stumble upon it? I was just walking the hair care line, picking up things and reading ingredients, because by now, having been natural since 2012, I kind of know what ingredients to look out for and what ingredients to stay away from. Like coconut oil will never ever be in any of my hair care products because it comes down onto my face and I break out and it's a hot mess. So no coconut oil for me. I might use it as like a pre-poo, or you know, something that's going to wash out immediately, but it's not ever going to stay. It's not going to ever be left in my hair. So the ingredients in this that really stood out to me, it has aloe. You guys know I love me some aloe, and thankfully I live in a tropical country that I can find the aloe leaf growing in abundance. This is the first time I've ever moved in a place and there's no aloe in my backyard. I'm sad bad. But anyway, it has aloe, it has honey. That's the Jamaican in me jump. It has honey. It has, what else is in here? Shea butter, cocoa butter, argan oil, sweet almond oil, castor seed oil, sunflower seed oil. What else is in here? Vitamin B. It's got a bunch of very good ingredients. What is the first? Of course, the first ingredient is water, but the second ingredient after that is green tea. I think it's right. It's called the Green Tea Super Moist Leave-In Conditioner by TGIN. Thank God it's natural, and it is absolutely worth your penny. I'm gonna leave the link below if you want to grab this from Amazon or something. I might actually check it out on Amazon next time, because sometimes being in Jamaica, it's still cheaper to ship in your products than to actually go to the pharmacy and get them, because this price was ridiculous. But it is absolutely worth it, and I will be re-upping on this. Now here's where, this is what I used to use as my styler. Now you do recognize that this says leave-in conditioner, right? I never thought of it as a leave-in conditioner because of the texture. It is a little slightly heavier. You know why I thought it was heavier? This is what I used to put over kinky curly knot today. That used to be my holy grail leave-in, but when I cut my hair, I was like, okay, kinky curly is actually quite expensive here in Jamaica now as well, and I was like, let me try and find something else. And I saw this and I decided to try it, loved it. And so this kinky curly is very, very light, and this was a little bit creamier, and I put this over that, and they worked very well, very, very well together. So as you can see, this is empty. This is the Cantu Argan Oil Leave-In Conditioner Repair Cream, and so this is what I picked up to replace it. Now this is about halfway done, as you can see there. This is Auntie Jackie's Curls and Coils Curl Lala Defining Curl Custard, and it has some pretty good ingredients as well. It is, let's see here, it has see, the first two ingredients are some scientific name. I can't, shea butter, soy oil, glycerin. You know, it might be the glycerin that's not working out too tough for me in this. So here's my review of this product. It was good, and you know, like I said, when I picked this up and immediately I felt something in my hair, this was like, okay, my hair is moisturized, and there was no, ooh, okay, this is good. Guys, here's how I know that this whole styler situation can be better. I picked this up when this was about halfway done. I was like, okay, I have a new leave-in. I'm gonna try and find something that works better with it. I've been using Cantu for years. If you go back to my first big chop in 2012, you will see me talking about this Cantu product and the kinky curly. Those were the two that I used all this time, and it's like, my hair must have gotten used to it now. I'm gonna switch it out. I'm gonna, you know, find something else. I tried this in my hair on a whim because I was like, okay, this is still half full. I'm not gonna just leave it to, you know, I'm gonna use my product. I paid money for it. Guys, the difference was immediate. I was like, why did I stop using this? I use it for a reason. And no, my hair has not gotten used to it, because I might actually give this away. To be frank, that's how much better the Cantu is for my hair. Now, why did I start using Cantu in the first place? There is no coconut oil, and way back then, when, you know, natural hair was booming and it was a big trend and coconut oil was the in thing, everybody and their mama was making products with coconut oil, and this was one of the only products. There's one more that I found that really worked with my hair as well, and I still love it as a styler, but it's always been super expensive. I linked it on my blog post as well in my wash and day routine, my wash and go 3-day routine. But buy this. This is available in every single pharmacy in Jamaica, every little corner shop, beauty shop, whatever. Cantu is available. It's cheap and it works. Like, I swear to you, the difference with these two, they work. So yeah, that's just where I'm at. I came on here just to talk to you a little bit about, and you'll realize that both of these are leave-in conditioners, and I use both of them together and they work beautifully. What do I put over that? I put my shea butter, my whipped shea butter mix, which is, it's still the same from way back when. So I'm gonna leave that blog post below if you want to check out how I make a whipped shea butter kind of moisturizing sealant to put over these ingredients as a final step. That's how I get, well, I used to get like 3 to 4 days out of my wash and goes. Clearly I don't have any trouble getting, I mean, it dries out after a while, and you still have to re-moisturize after about 3 or 4 days. actually I find that I have to re-moisturize even more now that my hair is short again. So it's going to be an interesting ride to figure out how to do this natural stuff all over again. So I hope you'll stick around with me for the journey. I'm going to be, of course, doing some experiments with, you know, trying to grow my hair and coloring. You guys know I love to color my hair. So if you like all of the natural hair things that I'm about to do, if you like this video, please click that thumbs up button. I really appreciate all the love, and make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Hello. Please hit the notification bell so you are aware whenever I do upload new videos, and I will see you all around. Guys, if you have a product that is a leave-in conditioner and it is amazing, please leave a comment in the comments below. Let me know what it is. I am down to check it out. I don't think anything is going to knock this out for a while, but I'm still open to trying all the products and reviewing them for you all. So if you have a product you want me to check out, leave it down below and I will. Thank you guys. See y'all in the next one.